are always with you. God bless you, my dear. Today I will present 4 cases of cardiovascular disease through Ayurveda medicine. Cardiology Ayurveda is my field of interest and beginning of my education. When I was in UG, I loved to hear murmurs, and I tried to differentiate between diastolic and systolic murmurs those days, 40 years back, 35 years back. Now today, I will discuss one by one case. और दिख रहा है ना आपको दीपक जी?
जी सर दिख रहा है।
मैं शुरू रखूं? हाँ, केस 1.
जी सर।
A name, male patient, 46 years old, occupation engineer. He came to us 10 Feb from the Goa. These all cases were in my OPD at Belgaum, where I used to visit on second Saturday of each and every month. This patient is really suffering since long time. Now see, when he came to me, he was asymptomatic, no signs and symptoms related with the heart disease. History of diabetes and hypertension since 3 years. The history of PTCA and stenting 3 times. Not 3 times stenting was done. On 20 October 15, the patient developed a sudden chest pain radiating to the throat. He go to the Goa Medical College, where they found PKMB was high. It was a case of acute anterior myocardial infarction. Angiography was done. 95% stenosis was revealed in mid-LAD and 85% in RCA. See that CPK label. You know that creatine phosphokinase isoenzyme of the myocardium is the biomarker of the myocardial injury. 3,334 units per liter. Troponin is another biomarker. Whenever they are high, they indicate the acute myocardial infarction. The sensitivity of these 2 tests is very high, about 100%. CPK became the normal after 72 hours, but slowly persists up to 7 days. So troponin T is greater than CPK MB. Next. Now, if you see the echocardiogram of the patient, you find something for you. No doubt, the chambers are normal, but there is moderate left ventricular dysfunction. And everything okay. Nothing wrong here, no clot, nothing. You can, the linear blockage, you can see, I will see one thing here. Whenever there is atherosclerosis, it is patch. It is never continuous. You can see the patches, a blockage in RCA, in left coronary artery. Then stent was done that time, and patient on discharge prescribed these medicines up to 2 years. On 20 March 17, the same problems again shifted to the Manohar Hospital, Goa. CKMB was normal, angiography again done, and I see that 90% stenosis LAD, 90% stenosis RCA. see the blockage become more in more area. Now you can see the coronary angiography report. You can read it. Next. Now PTCA report again done. Stent was done there. Next. Again on discharge, the same medicine was given as per the protocol. You know that few medicines are always recommended even after the PTCA. Next. After 10 months, now this is third. 12 January 2018, similar problem. Again to coronary angiography and proximal distal 22% stenosis, 20% stenosis in the bronchs and 90% in LAD. Here again, patient went for the PTCA and stent to OM. Now the echo color of the patient, like every dysfunction was there. That is important point. Next. Again on this chart, the patient was given certain medicines, you know that. PTC is stenting still in this case. Again, you can stand. It is third time PTC was done, stent was done. Next. Now we come on our way. Appetite good, regular bowels, normal duration, good sleep, no smoking, no alcohol. Definitely work stress in the office since 2005. He's Goan, so he loves the non-veg, especially mutton and chicken. Fried fish 3 times a week. Goan like the fried fish. No fish means no food for the Goan. So they love the fish, but heavy fried and heavy quantity. Okay, he was used to go for the walking, jogging, some gym exercise, but after 2010, physical activity was reduced. On examination, no pillar, no icterus, no cyanosis, no lymphadenopathy, pulse 72 per minute, temperature normal, BP 102, 70 millimeter of mercury. Normal heart sound, no added sound, well oriented, air entry normal, no fine tears, nothing wrong in lungs. Investigation C, cholesterol level, SDL is less, otherwise okay. Blood urea, creatinine, hemoglobin A1C, little bit high. Now you can see the echo. This echo is very important. Post PTCA, note that hypokinesia of the distal venous, apex anterior wall, anterior septum with the scar. This is important. Anterior septum with scar. Note it. Left ventricle ejection fraction 55%. Trivial MR, aortic valve, leaflet normal, no regurgitation, normal PA pressure, grade 1 diastolic dysfunction, no clot. One important point you have to note, anteroseptal with scar. Next. Vyadhi Venice coronary artery disease, definitely 3 doses, but predominancy of the Vata. Those cough Vata, Dusya Ras Sonit Mansamed, Rotas Ras Raktamed, white the maid, you know, without the maid, the uplepan does not occur. Atherosclerosis is common cause. And I always prefer to understand maid with arm, and then only the Dhamupcha happens. Srotodushti Prakar Sang, Samagni, Dhatavagni Mandajan, Prakriti Pitta and cough. He becomes very aggressive sometime and sometime very low. And SAR is also Madhyam. The body weight is BMI is about normal. Muscles contour is about normal. Sattva is really Madhyam, very not so much stable person. He loves the each and every ras and he eats it. So सर्वरस साथ में. Madhyam Sandhan, Ahar Shakti also good, nothing wrong. Vyayam Shakti Madhyam. Nowadays his Vyayam Shakti is much better. What was given on first visit? The Smuladi capsule, I will give the detail of the preparation. Dasmuladi, Abrakadi, Chatusparyadi, Sataun with Salpardi and Sunthi in morning. What is in Dasmuladi? See the content. Dasmul, Erandamul, Puskarmul, Devdaru, Haritiki, Amalki, Amrita, Kamal, Vacha, Chitrak, Sunthi, 50. And then see the Abrakadi, Ringbhasm, Abrakbhasm, Lobhasm, all in 10 mg. Puskarmul, Daru, Rasna, Erandamul, Hartiki, Trikatu. Bhasm in 10 mg quantity, only 10 mg quantity, take care of this. And here the Chasupardi, Salpardi, Mudgpardi, Maspardi, and Krishpardi, all in equal quantity. Now on 25 to 18, he came again and we admitted the case and we started some Panchakarna, some Sodhan Chikitsa. We started the Hridayavasti and Sambasti Karma. First we give the Matravasti and then the Niruvasti. You can see the record 27, 28, all that you can note it. Next. On discharge, the same treatment was repeated. We had the Kamduda line because he came to the Belgaum and he found some Amlipit problem, so we added the Kamduda. On 21/4/18, he came back and you see the treatment approach similar, no change. Next. You see the echo report on the 18/5/18. This is very important for you. Normal resting LV systolic function, LVF now 60%, as it was earlier 55%. No regional wall motion abnormality, no MRC, there no AR. Now you can note it, no AR. You go back, there was the left ventricle scar. Now in this echo, no scar. Now ventricular function is being about normal. You can see in this echo. This is very interesting echo. Next. Now echocardiography under 12/10, you see that there is very important. Next. Now TMT report negative. No, nothing wrong. You can see here. Basically, everything okay. Now wing. Next. Now I'll discuss this point. This patient came after 3 times and he wanted our treatment that there should not be a 4 times recurrence. 3 times stenosis, you can understand the life of such a young person. Luckily, he is the husband of my student, Pooja. Pooja belongs to the Goa, and she had a conference in teacher, and she told him to come and to consult with me. And really, still the treatment is continued. In this 2.5 years treatment, we are very happy to note that obstructive cardiomyopathy में और arrhythmia में like atrial flutter fibrillation जैसी कंडीशन में जब पेशेंट आते हैं. अब देखिए केस 2 मेरा 52 years male, retired contractor. He came on 9th June 18, belonged to the Belgaum. Chest pain left-sided, frequency of chest pain 2 days, exertional dyspnea on walking up to 500 meters, on climbing 1 stage, chest heaviness. Diabetes, on insulin, cardiac disease present in the family, father was affected with the MI. Personal history, good appetite, regular bowels once per day, micturition normal, sound sleep, habit chronic smoker, alcoholic consumption 2 times per week. Overstress since 2010, diet rich in non-veg, oily diet, poor exercise schedule. You can see the things here, everything is okay. General examination, next. Systemic examination, you can see everything okay here again. In RS, something you note, basal crates, heard. And that was region of the severe dyspnea. Next. Now you see the investigations, the ECG you can see here, and you can see the ECG, the changes of the ST segment T wave in V2 to V6 anterior wall. Next. Now please note the blockage. Side of the blockage, 1, 2, 3, you can see multiple blockage, my dear. More than 10 blockages in this patient. Elder patient, life is very tough. Next. Angiography, please note the report, you can understand. Somewhere 90% obstruction, somewhere 70%, 75%, 90 to 95%, multiple obstruction, triple vessel coronary artery disease. And recommendation for coronary bypass grafting, open heart surgery. Next. Coronary artery disease, unstable angina, due to the multiple factors involved, I always consider as a 3-dose was predominancy. You can understand the similar approach as in the earlier case. Samprapti Ghatak. Next. Now you can see the Dasvis Pariksha here, especially nothing to tell. Extraordinary, all in the way. You can see that. Now, next. Chikitsa. Dasmul, Bharat, Chatuspanayadi, and Brahmi Bhatti because of stress. Now you can note my this drug combination. You can understand the formulation earlier I gave you in my first case. So I'm not going to repeat here. Now again the patient was admitted and something done like the Kosud by the Gandha Bhartiki, Gandha study with the castor oil and sheer 60 ml. Hridaya Parisek with the Smul Kasar, Sthanik Abhyang with Aguruvadi. This is very important, my dear, Aguruvadi tel. We prepare this oil in the KLE pharmacy. Aguruvadi tel is mentioned in Charak Chikitsa 3 for the Som for the Vat Kafajwar. These drugs, this combination contains all Usra type of the drug like Aguru, Kost, Puskarmul, etc. And since they contain the Usra drug, it has the capacity to penetrate and to reach any part. I prefer this combination, this oil to apply over the pericardium. Really, my dear, it has a good result. Not only in this case, I will discuss later also, Aguruvadi tel is very good in 3rd degree heart block, left bundle branch block, and right bundle branch block also. Because of the penetrancy of this drug is helpful in making the Avyahat Gati of Vat. I'm really happy to know. I have one case of 3rd degree heart block. After 2 years of the treatment, ECG is always now normal. I will discuss that. Nasan Basti, Niru Basti, all was done there. On discharge, again, you can note the Dasmuladi, Afrikadi, Chatuspanayadi, and Brahmi Bhatti was given. Follow-up after 1 month, chest pain reduced, 1 or 2 episodes in a week, exhausted dyspnea, can walk up to 1 kilometer. Earlier it can only 500 meters, now we can walk 1 kilometer. Can climb 2 stairs, 2 floors tak chad sakta hai, no chest heaviness. Next. That's the ECG changes. Now you'll be happy to note the T wave become about normal. ST segment depression is also lesser than previous ECG. You'll be happy to note the T wave changes. Okay, next. Now you see the echocardiographic report here in this patient. We did. Now you note the left wall motion abnormality, no. Pericardial effusion, no. Clot vegetation, no. Concentric LVH was there, no regional wall muscle abnormality. Good point is left ventricular ejection fraction is 60%. Type 1 diastolic dysfunction noted in study. Now you can see this second case, my dear, multiple obstruction. Still the patient is taking the medicine and patient is now not needed the coronary artery bypass grafting. Patient is totally asymptomatic. Now you can see the simple remedies, simple procedures help in making the better life. In future, we may have the few cases with the post-treatment angiography report. We are trying. Basically, in last March, it was due to do the angio in one case, but because of this lockdown and all, we could not get that. Now, case 3. 39 years old male labor came to us on 27 December at belonged to the Belgaum. Chest pain both sided, interscapular region, sudden onset, frequency 3 to 4 times per day. Exertional dyspnea, heaviness in the chest when you walk 100 to 200 meters only. Diabetes, nothing wrong in the family, tobacco chewing, and alcoholic consumption. Next. Now you see the echocardiography report. Next. Now you can know the basically ml, no MR, no TR, normal pressure, normal resting ventricular systolic function, ejection fraction is 65%. Next. Now you see the angiography report again. See that. You can see in left coronary artery anterior, see the length of the blockage. See in right coronary artery, the length of the blockage. It's 80%, 90%, different issues, but length of the blockage major issues. Next. So you can understand this report, how much blockage is present in the patient. Next. Vyadi Vedisya, same. Next. Samprapti, same approach. Next. Dasvis Paricha. Now you can note in most of the cases, Madhyam is there. Next. Some in patient, Vata Pitta Prakriti, in someone Vata Kapha, or Pitta Kapha, like that. Again, the similar approach, the Panchakam treatment, you can understand. Here you are using with the Saraditel. Next. On discharge, the same treatment, one we add the Casor because he also had some back problem. So we added this Casor there and the Sula rest. During treatment ECG, note the ECG, my dear, they see the left first angle T wave inversion. Symmetrical T wave inversion always an indication of ischemic heart disease. You can note here in V2 to V6 again T wave inversion. So you can see and the anterolateral wall myocardial ischemic changes present in the ECG. Next. Next. This is not so clear. Now, basically, come back. Now you see this ECG. You can note the T wave inversion here. See in the first NAVL, T wave become normal. In the V1 to V6, again T wave become normal. So the ischemic changes reverse here. The ECG is done after the Panchakam treatment and after the second follow-up. Every time a patient comes after a follow-up, at 1 month interval, we repeat the ECG. This is our basically routine practice to do the ECG at every follow-up. Now you note here again, my dear, the changes is in ECG very remarkable. Such patient also has advice for the angioplasty, but he is labor, he can't afford the same. So financial burden, everything is there. So Ayurveda is there to and he came and we did a good job. Next. Now case 4. See next. 41 years female patient, housewife. This Glovaria came Belgaum, middle class. Next. Exhaustion dyspnea is 2 years, chest pain on and off 1 year, pain in lower limb 1 year, giddiness, eye floaters on and off, lightheadedness, dizziness, or fainting. Vedna Vritan, patient was said to apparently healthy 4 years back. He was no having hypertension and diabetes, and 4 years back he developed a tumor-like structure on the neck. He went to the army hospital, Belgavi. Investigation was done. X-ray was normal, but some changes in heart X-ray was noted that time, and then MSTP atogram was done. This is very important question. The patient comes with a lump on the neck and the diagnosis of the aortic, descending aortic aneurysm was. You can understand the approach. If it was not the X-ray done that time, it could not be possible to understand this problem. Then came to us next. Aortogram. See, note the aortogram report. Aneurysm, you can note in the right lateral aspect of the LVOT in subvalvular. You note that. Mind. In multiple area, the aortic aneurysm is present with the calcification. In one 0.21 millimeter length segment is affected, having the aneuric changes. You can note it. Next. Now you note the extensive, this is important impression, extensive intimal thickened calcification in aortic annulus. Sinotubular junction, note the point, ascending aorta, arch of aorta, visualize segment of the aortic arch, branches, descending thoracic aorta, suprarenal aorta, dilatation of the ascending arch of the aorta. Now notice, when the multiple part is affected, one rare disease comes in mind, you know it, Takayasu arteritis. Also, you can say Takayasu aortitis. Marginally enlarged calcified mediastinal lymph nodes, fibrotic lung lesions are also noted, and really the patient had severe dyspneic column. Her life was not good. She had the dyspneic topic. Next. This is a very rare condition. Now you can note this. The aneuric changes in aortogram. Now the PT, CT is done. I now say a conclusion there at the end. Major vessel wall calcification seen involving the aortic arch, and note this point. So this is a case of the Takayasu arteritis with the multiple site affected with the aneurysm associated with the calcification, multiple site. We note in Takayasu aortitis, basically inflammatory process, the cause is autoimmune phenomena. This is first time recorded in the Japan and then South Korea and all. This name is given thanks to the scientists to discover this. Next. Now see the ECG changes. You can see the ECG here. So in ECG, you can't see any major changes about the normal in ECG. Next. Okay, the patient on discharge, they are advised. Next. Now, what is our approach? Ayurvedic approach, you can see here. Next. Next. So everything is here to note. Next. What was the important point to note? There was the extracardiac murmurs, the bruits. When we auscultate the back of the chest, we find the murmurs, extracardiac murmurs in the aortic area. The bruits are there. After listening to that bruits, our students are really very happy because it was first time he noted such sound. You'll be surprised, my dear, in the carotid artery also there are stenosis. In both carotid artery there are stenosis, and I heard the bruise there, and my also listen that bruise. Next. What did we start here? Now something different like Titkadi, Vasadi, Arjunadi, Chaturpandayadi, Abhrakadi. Now same Chaturpandayadi. Now you are covering all here. Inflammatory process, autoimmune phenomena. So you cover the pit and cough predominantly. So you use the Tikta. There's severe dyspnea, there's already a change in the lungs, so you use the Vasa and all. I'll give them. Then to in the Gati, Arjun. To get the patency clear, the Abhrakadi and all we use. Next. Now see the Titkadi, what the content is there. Kiratik, the Patol, Amrita, Amalki, Hartaki, Vidang, Chitrak. The combination is formulated. This combination is formulated as per my own experience, which I perceived in the last 30 years of the clinical experience with the cardiac patient. Bhavna with the Kamal, and you can understand the role of the Kamal. Basically, Kamal is good as antithrombotic. And in any cases like this, the thromboembolism is major issue that should be addressed and that should be managed. Next. Now see the Vasadi, Vasa, Kantikari, St. Pravasrotas, you can understand. I am adding here Vidang like drug which are good immunobooster. Don't see only as a craving. Anti-inflammatory effect of the Vidang is very high. And this drug is good immunomodulator. You'll be happy to note the Gorakhmundi is the best immunomodulator drug. I'm not only concerned with the Guruchi Amal like drug, but I also prefer the Tulsi, Vidang, Gorakhmundi, Sati like drug in my combination to make a potent formulation which act immediate, which give the result immediate, and therefore a patient develop the trust in me and in our way. Next. See the Hirt Arjunadi, Salpadi, Sutauri, Brahmi, Arjun, Amalki. Bhavna with the Arjun and Amalki. This is a good combination, my dear. Also the Bal, and also covering the all three those, Vat, Pitta, Salpadi is again mentioned in the Hridaya, controlling the rhythm. Satauri, you know, the Med, Hridaya like action. Brahmi again, the Med, the Mutra like action. Arjun, you know, acts on the cuff and acts on the cuff row and Amalki. Now see the result next. Now, the result is not mentioned, there is sometimes perhaps something wrong in this PPT. And after first follow-up, the patient felt very good, and the patient taking the medicine. After 6 months, she had the appointment with the military hospital. She went to Pune FMC. She met to her surgeon, cardiothoracic surgeon. They told, okay, now the symptoms is coming very less and you are feeling better, so please continue your Ayurvedic treatment. So they don't sit for the surgery because there was surgery needed, but surgery was risky. And the Ayurvedic treatment was working very well, and therefore cardiac surgeon did not dare to go for surgery. This patient is still taking my medicine. Her husband is very caring, and he is in military, and he did his CT last time also. That report is not included here by some mistake. I think some missing is there. But in that report, again, it is noted that calcification being less. The site of aneurysm is not being less, but the working of the artery become better. The blood flow to the site is better. The lungs function become better. I will come back and to conclude these 4 cases. You have seen the one case where more than 10 sites is noted with the blockage. You noted one case where the 3 times stent was done, 3 times stenosis was observe, and fourth time to avoid the such happenings in future, patient came to me. My dear, our challenge is in such cases, how to treat. Simple management as per Acharya Charak, Chikitsa 26. I add Avrak, Tamr, very minimum quantity and the treatment only for the 3 months, not more than 3 months with the Abrakadi. I stopped the Abrakadi capsule after 3 months without fail. And I continue the Dasmul Chatuspardi long time. My most patient taking since 10 years, 15 years, Dasmul combination, Salpari combination, and they are enjoying their life. Please note the combination, how to formulate a combination, the based on the dose. See the drug mentioned in the Charak Chikitsa 2697, and the most of drug again mentioned in that row, the most of drug mentioned in the Vatik row. Puskarmul, Rasna, Sati, Deodadu, Kol, Trikatu. So, what the combination have to make? A drug act cough to clear the aurod, a drug act on the pit to clear the aurod, a drug act on the pit to minimize the inflammation, a drug act on the the thrombus to minimize the aurod. So a multiple aspect of the pathology if come in your mind at a time when patient comes to you, and then only you can formulate a potent, effective combination. I never use the Swarnayukta Yog, never. I prefer the use of the Amalki like drug. You have seen that content of the Tadi, Vasadi, very simple drug. Each and every capsule just costs 1 or 2 rupees. At 10 rupees, 20 rupees per day, the expenditure on a patient, 500, 600, 1000, maximum expenditure in a month. So the life becomes better. The approach is what? In making the Ayurveda available in such patient at the general practitioner level is your understanding, your clinical understanding. Your understanding of ECG, your understanding of echocardiogram, your understanding of symptomatology. If you have seen, we are managing the Takahashi aortitis, very rare disease. In my life, I have seen only 3 patients, and I'm lucky that I managed 3 patients. I managed. Because I'm working in this field, so I had a patient, I have a patient of some rare. And now you have seen another case of that young man, the blockage, still the patient is taking my medicine. I'm very thankful to V.S. Prasadji, my friend, principal of the KLE Ayurvedic College, Belgaum. His team of the pharmacy formulated genuine drug. If I told I need 10 times bhavna, 7 times bhavna, they do the same. That how many times you are doing the bhavna, more bhavna will make the more potent drug, make the drug nano. So it can penetrate anywhere, it can reach to anywhere, whether it is needed. I use in bhavna amalki, I use in bhavna amrita, I use in the like this, which is easily available. In Kolhapur, in Belgaum, Kamal is easily available. In Goa, Kamal is easily available. No issue. Thousands of kilograms the Kamal is offered at the Mahalakshmi temple in Kolhapur. Earlier, I used to go there and meet to the Pujari Sahib, and at the weekend we collect all that and we prepare some medicine, especially Kamal Char, the good potent anti-thrombotic drug. My choice of drug always in Vatika Rogi is like Puskarmul, Rasna, you have seen that. I very much have the trust in the Chatuspadi, in the Satauri, to maintain the rhythmicity. These 4 cases, I have many cases, but these 4 cases selected where we have the good, some report, a good result, and these patients are taking the medicine every day. Thank you, Dr. Ismail Kadam, to offer me a lecture on cardiology for the GP purpose. I think I will wish you the great day of your life today, as it is your happy birthday. I wish you again happy and healthy, many returns of day. Jivet Sarva Satam Sneh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now you can ask any questions, my dear. Dr. Naveen, do you want to ask anything? Dr. Sital Patel, Dr. Snehal Kadam. Any question, please?
सर अभी मेरा तो कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
Okay. Should I close, Snehal?
हाँ सर, नहीं लग रहा किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं है.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.